Danko abogana adeshimamba aha Atwee TV ene Yorke FM so na kese emre asusa danko kasiye abosamufu atena seni akeka bomo ye de besom mo se danko kasiye bo ewo Atwee TV ene Yorke FM so kasiye semwadi mu akotene a wobetie ebi ni se na ye ka ne mekwa kopie NCC yifo akache won so ene de wanu disem abetudwa se yenhwe na constitution day yi yammo huban se ne ebe ye be kyerɛkyerɛ ne yenya nimdie papa ade afiri mu sanso ene eba kwakopiem ewo health self for kache won so ade nsam ne kokobo bi atudwa ade amayen wani afoforo bi ka ho awie yi mede baba abeso mo se donko kase ewo Atwee TV ene Yorke FM so mo somfo Atwee Rambo ena me bekenkan kasebo yi ede amamo na kese me twa me ho aba na me ba me de ensem ni mu nkyiremu aba abeso mo Yamamo akaba de shima mamu da so ekwepram to breakfast ya ewo Atwee TV so na ne ye ko nsem ni mu a enche bia ana nimdifo ani amamwo panimfo de betu dwa se obi bia na wo yusu sim card wo man mu ye ka ne ye ka de na chese telecommunication no ho enhihye no na chese wo yusu Vodafone MTN Gro ni nyina la mo ka ho bie na chese nsachira ya ba ni nyina ne san ebo se ye de national card no na chese ye ka na Ghana card wodi ko baby biara a MTN officer kachefo ewo na wokoye nsachire kakra edema wo card na wo use no se wo hwe na se wontumi anya nsesaye dia na kyerese ewo se wo hu se ko ani momo na ode bia wodi di udwuma no entumi enkoso biem na no na ne de ya hyase a aban di dwuma pagu akwan ma yegusu ayeye na ne de kese omanfo binom a omkwa akopie centers ho a wo mo hwe so wo nsam no ye be ya re-registration ede ama won na wo hwa wokodi line no so a na kese mra teten wonya won ho ene wakofie obi mputumi koduru wa anajo anahoache wobesa line na aduru ne so no yes network nye enti ya no mo sere se ti ebetumi ayan sachaya bi ade ama won ade afosem registration yi ho a nka beboa papa
through the line. They told me that I have to do some linking, and because I've done the linking yesterday, I cannot do it yesterday now, so I have to come next day. Yeah.
It's very stressful being here. I've been here for more than 3 hours and we are not seeing anything. We are just standing here. We are quite tired too because there are no chairs for you to sit. Here comes the case. Tomorrow too is on a holiday. You can't come here unless Monday. Actually, I'll be going to school on Saturday. So if I don't do it today, I don't know when I can do it again. I traveled. Where I went, how they did it was that there was some people who comes to do it for you at home. I think if they do it that way, it will be a little better than all of us coming to join here. They can even send some of the agents to go to houses to do it for them. I think that one will be better.
The bill, phone registration.
Oh, the Ghana card. Okay, now time ben I'll be doing.
I be do about 6 o'clock now.
Okay.
After now, yes, see. Networking in your home trace.
The whole day, say the whole day no corner say went to me and register bedding.
Ah, so my coffee, say me nyatam bia, meba.
Okay. Now what is saying?
66.
66. Okay, so maps this lady she says
manfo binom ena omode se dia eto aban no ene wo ka bia ye ewo nsamsam yi ho no efise wokodi line mu a na geze fia no peko pema nwumle no da so asisi ho na wo hu ne ekompo wo wie nso no ba ya wo se network ye no ye to kase bo no so ade amamu na emrada ena atoye nchem kakra esi ye ni nyina na san emrantie bia wo hu ne ho ene ho ene ne atoyantem kase asi accident asi wo ho ama ede wo ha kakra ede aba na kase eno no ye school for wo enum secondary school e ho no ko school no na dodo wa kwantempan so shy hills e ho na ta accident eti ya nti amankwada hu akeka e prefo abam ama bi mo prepre yie na nti na kasa principal wono aye emergency medical technique ono na da no isa pangbe ono na de nsami etu dwa e wo bra nkwada yi hu eto chimai.
We were called this afternoon by an unknown number that there was an accident along the Dodowa Ayikuma Astebi road leading to the Shy Hill. So we quickly got there, and the information we got on the ground was the driver was loaded with students who were going to a new secondary school and had a tight vest. The driver tried his best to save the situation, but then could not stop because of the excessive speeding that we're told. The car somersaulted and mangled. All the 23 passengers aboard are severely injured. As we speak, they are all at Dodowa District Hospital. That is where we conveyed them to, with the help of the Dodowa District Police Command and then the Dodowa District Fire Service with the team from the National Ambulance Service Dodowa office. Yes, they all sustained injury. Though some are minor, only a few of them had minor injuries. But to be honest to you, most of them sustained serious injury, ranging from fractures, head injuries, and the like.
And which hospitals are they right now?
Currently, we've conveyed them to the Dodowa District Hospital.
And how are they faring?
Well, the hospital staff have called for reinforcement because actually the casualties there are almost overwhelming their staff. So they call for reinforcement and they are working on them. Well, let's see how it goes. For now, I cannot tell how they are faring. I cannot tell actually because it's still early to tell.
Enti ene na asemi aye abrabosam se nkwada wo ko suku that is wo kwa ko sia wo nkwanhia ya yi enti ene yesi ebia prepra ebi mu krampo mu nan ni omu nse ebubububu that is wo betena wili mu emere mu kakra asemi eye abrabosam yi yengira abrabosam hu ne enkonkopie kokko bodofo akachi ne nyina ne sen emranti a wo hu no so akoko no de mayen wo baga na ha se de ye wo mranten kantinka aye hwena so kokko ne bekọ buka ni mu o si e Africa ni mu o si e de kọ airport o si e de kọ habo ni nyina mrante wo ho awoso a na mrante ne wo no so aye wo ye kire ni nyina ne sai twasa kokko no sa wo so asika wo de ma wo na ga 65 pesos na ade enti na wo hu no wo se wada ade a wo bra mrante abra ni sai na sika ye de ma wo hu aye 65 pesos ni nyina sai si no apia water aye ton wo mai mu mpo no enu mpo aye 40 pesos na ni enta say asem ya yawo enti wo stress won fa bi enka won ho no onya wan sibi empo woni be so na nya sa de ombekọ strike an ombekọ tuatene sani ebe ya won hwo kokko ni biem na say ye ne akase betumi aso ya de dia na tese ne ya so a enti wo stress panimfo say wonya 20 pesos increment na won fa nka ho emfama won ya to akase abone so na kase ya kwakọ piem University of Ghana na ho na woni onyamfo awoda no a ono ne din de prof Ransford Jampo wono na da university an wo ye secretary ebo ho na wono so na wo si anan wo de kakra ba beka ho se teacher fo ye nipa bi a wo se ye nka ye hwe omo dwumadie pa omo di wo man mu na ka ye bo won aba so na one day sisi an wo hia increment se wo mo salary nim some first can be enka ho enfama wo mo efi so mo bre no mo san so ema wo ba bi papa a wo ho beto wo so si na no aban ebegina simpie so obesisi asuku adan no de ma teacher fo na won so wo ye university teachers lecturers no won so ehia emoa e wo nsi kanim so obeye wo mo no de bi akeka salary no ho e de ama wo.
No, okay, thank you. So good morning to your viewers. Good morning to you. You made the point that the University of Ghana is striking on the 10th. It's not the University of Ghana. So basically, a memorandum of understanding was signed by our negotiating team to agree on some 1,600 US dollars payable in 2024 as research allowance. Our constitution says that when the negotiation team goes to sign anything, they must come and receive validation from members. So when members met, we voted to reject that. And then we were insisting that that should be captured by our national in the kinds of rationale that they may be articulating as being the reason why we want to go on strike. In fact, it's purely an internal matter where I just laid on at a point in time I decided to go on strike solely on this rejection on the third. But there were some negotiations and discussions internally that to say we are going to join our national in going on strike on 10th. And the reasons for doing so will be articulated in a communique that I believe should come out this evening or early tomorrow morning. Oh yes, it's purely about the fact that our salaries cannot take us anywhere. Conditions of service are poor. Negotiations have not yielded much. Okay. Timelines and agreements which have not been respected and adhered to. So basically, people are frustrated, and it's gotten to that time where it's going to be now. I don't think any amount of persuasion or sugar-coated words would get people to resign their decision. I think that we must generally, as a nation, be seeking to be talking about equity in our pay structure. Without equity in our pay structure, there would be never, we cannot have industrial harmony. And without industrial harmony, governance cannot even be carried, as in a country. Okay. And so it is always sad. Recently, I heard the Minister for Employment and Labor Relations saying it publicly that they have increased salary by 7%, salary of public sector workers by 7%. And I asked myself, but so what is the increment of salary and conditions of service, of what the increment rate and level of conditions of service of Article 71 office holders? Right. It's on the average about 70%. Right. So you can't give the owners of the money 7% and give caretakers 70%. And when we talk about it, somebody says it's a constitutional matter. Is the Constitution a Bible? The Constitution is not a Bible, and as thinking beings in a thinking society, we've got the right to challenge constitutional content. That is how come the 1992 Constitution was subjected to a review. It is not a Bible. And so politicians cannot hide behind that discriminatory provisions in the Constitution and ask us to tighten our belts while they will eat, their tummy will blossom, and they will believe they are losing their belt. You cannot ask us to tighten our belts whilst you chop and your stomach will blossom.
And see when you're young for jump and I yet say no some of the two just was like so once you young training one wife is a once who were bread or my now just a quack of Piembra Shabajam and no another ranking member of parliament or no your finance committee. Manager no I no Dr. Castle to Forson. And also another worker and send said, one on I know pension class and a bear woman, you know, say, well, catch Attorney General said, then you know, one my bay Musatam Yampa, Deputy Finance Minister, Emma, no, to me, yes, I am my to me ambulance. And I just a Kululu Biba, one as a Kululu and Kalala. Aye, just a one only person on known as signing a mass ambulance and ever. That is a warrior, will walk on time. Now, couldn't tell you no better shame, Musa, one no and a boy, 2017. One on a sunshine crater and a man ambulance and a bag. You know what I say? Now, one on because I come here working. Now, one of our deputy finance minister, young farmer. Now, you're dying in a sambrano. What's a way young crater ambulance, and there was a was check. Not just our man, you be Bibiala Aya Frencham. To be Bibiala Frencham, what they are. Not just I was said, Bibia and your papaya, ever my moo, not Kurulu and Kalala Biala, and Memuna and Professor and Farmer. Yeah, Trackers, your bonnet so at the amount one I say a quack of National Commission for Civic Education. Like I see a job on Tiawa after our public ni ye efi so obi wo ho a wono wonim ne ekọ and wonim ne wo oman mu na no so wonam mu ne ase na ye holiday nse free na aba da bi e wo say ye education public no no mu hu say holiday no e ye say ne bom say constitution day no eni ma say ne ka ho e ma enam so ma ye de ma ye holiday no. Yet was so a day a mamona and chepia and any yet benchmark, so our my more. Now, no, I don't know yam so no, I see you. And the ma I read them motors. Not as any did Mr. Edipusi and Kuma, one no, and now you say about no. Now, send your one who says to mark the bet to me about benchmark, no Sabania Puviano, and see a nay, your weapon. Now, your papa Tiana, no decent turning church the moon. See a worker says smuggling about a benchmark no more and send someone on. Hello. Yes, madam. Please, good afternoon. Good afternoon. We are speaking from HYTV at Kasua Kalabule. Okay. Please, we just want you to verify a certain issue for us because you said the benchmark, it should be smuggling will be coming in all sorts of ways. So we just so yeah, okay, so we just oh, okay, which one do you prefer? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. We understand that you don't know how to speak the tree word, so we just wanted it. Oh, okay. Uh-huh. Sir. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Sir. Yeah.
Na eba ne saa no na duties no akɔso more eti bebree smuggle ɛnɔɔma no ɛkɔ Cote d'Ivoire ne ɛbi nɔɔma ɛne Togo nom ne wahyɛ fo aba yi side ɔma de asmuggle aba yi side so eti yɛyɛ gyadifoɔ no yɛ agye sɛ yɛne aban bɛkasa ne ɛma aban no ate aseɛ sɛ yɛnti a ɛnɔɔma no bebree ɛba market ne yɛhunu baabi ɛfa nyinaa te sɛ duty ne dɔɔso eti aban no yɛ ne sɛ okay now obeti duty ni so amaye benchmark value na oye no eye normal e dey say goods are yini ko ne ba ne dey that goods ni nyina no obeti 50% na e no be the car dey obeti 30% of the benchmark ayi nyina ye go insem na bind the day say why ya dey pa e dey say ye ni age but no nice small money ko ne ba no e so take a card but dem see too much and yet they say aja kaka area we bet no ma sina to ma ye no ma sini ama abanya na sense revenue over after there ye koda ya ye say ade ti year on the first of a year I say benchmark na reduction ye year through ni na twa duty pay na duty na ntwa na pay na say industry for mo ye industry no me production Ghana no say omu dimini yen compete enoma na ye ton no omu so ye omade na price omu ton no eni de enya ye de aba no omu dimini yen compete na binia no nhwemu pa problem a nipa face ewo enoma production cost no se be ko higher eye factors that man production cost no ko high no one na ye better face eye borrowing who put it out bank never who go to 28%. Never be able to go to 5%. I better than that complete. I use simple mathematics. You don't put the lower butcher. You loan now, but the interest is so 5 7%, and not 7.5. If you cry 5 years, 2. Now, what the Ghana 28, 25% interest. What do you mean competing?
Dabi.
Yeah, you look at this here.
Abasana de bia no amanoni fo niam no mo mbekọ so.
Amanoni niam na ye be keep because ye no producer be high. Yes. Ebi say this year electricity in na use obi a so night on the field. Obi o ye factory ni make ye time 2 or 3.
Yes.
Eti the 2 or 3 no aban who high. That is the point. The this is not consume no technically power consumption. I don't know be odo ye factory. I'm not production no am adwuma ba o memu. Woman na tua time 2 or 3. Ensure idea odi nyina ensure say your commercial price and the over local domestic use price. Your normal factors are normal cost. If the government wanted to help them, so better manufacture a year. One more loan a year cheap, about 10%, 12%. No one didn't compete. No, some woman ensure that this is at the cost, at the reasonable cost. Because labor organ, the Ghana labor. The labor shouldn't be a problem. But the normal money, normal cost for a year, it is a one Sunday benchmark no but woman you buy in a free so 30%, 80% every so there. Every month smuggling now man for smuggling. Every month for smuggling.
Not just a meteor once so will be a while. One no ba no ayam no ni fo no omo ba no loan no kwaji no mu di yo mo adwuma no percentage na that's no ya less.
Yeah, what do you say? OPM why establishing the company? That would be a good country like Japan, like Korea. What we interest rate now, will be associated in our production. The loan now for the interest you low. If you cry, you pay 5%. Japan cry the 5, their high price 7.5. You know, quite killer one. So it becomes a free. You buy when you know 1%, 2%, 3%. And design does not win you. That is why they can produce and produce it cheaper.
Yes.
Now, what you low? Never will be out of car for you. Who also can't be few on a man. I was assuming you talk and with the cabbage when I cut it out because within Pasona after 10 months, it cannot clear your loan a bill. Interest. Oh, it don't matter when the businessman be anyone who told me. I kind of say, ready in attitude. It's like, I mean, education. So, if the government is going back to bring that in a higher degree, it's in Iran, the share minister, a car dealer, put up for pharmaceutical for any hope, but before you put in a minister, finance minister. You can't say in action, not or the assembly was so perfect. They say they won't know, another than for a different government, and maybe I can't consider with you. And decided where they even though they're postponed it to 17, they won't go there because Omutema a catcher of blue said, Ghana to see, I mean, I'm not going to see it. A year, there was some for near your fence, a year, this trouble COVID problem. Who may ye as grow duty of free summer and if I go by a day, hey, you will create. Get to me. Oh, okay, Juma, I think I call Juma the banning on the back. Can't get a call for car, no, they're going to do. Who but the boy to swallow what you talk. Never say what Chinano, you want a better for so. Oh, it's a whole lot of forecasting for the bank. Can't get a year, like a kind of clean in the hospital. It's a threat. Only you know, being back, it's not for you the way forward. A yin I am my teacher, back for there. It's not 41 person being trade. A yin na Ghana. Ghana, Ghana is
Hello.
not for somebody else. Mommy.
And Patronum can some be said. And Sisi na one my young said to see no much one among any minister caucus and Mrs. Sia to me so the battle Mampanian no Sunny Becono. Now wait for what Nasa still now yet one of ye won't shade. No one can be pepper young to them and I'm moving beam nothing but two.
Oh, you're not there. You can't be here to see and say the one amount, because then we see a minister. It's not any kind of no body trick of the say. In fact, and yet I was in class and I see a meal. And quite that one, I bet my minor 2 pound, your kind of industrialization. Gan, young traders, no, young compute, yet the young Cassa, Yamagana, no. We want the Ghana to move forward.
Yes.
But Osiki and advisor, Obinia more advice. Dina Mamika some children. The people say, Islamic house. That's now a clay. Clay won't question the play. I go up. You took away a fire clay or hot. You can say China will be what a benefit. I can keep with another party. And you put that only a quality town. Over in the party idea, they cheap. I think when you're able to put in the Gano. And when was a study with my year, I'm a African one for only their top house for her. A big income for Ghana. You can look at it so many things, no matter brain. Now, open the can I eat, I won't even do this. And we are asking them, say, yeah, businessman, we are in the post. We have a lot. They should contact us, sit down with them, and we give them the green light. No matter where it's like, meaning I'm not going to see a move, local right. Who we say, Sana Tamuno, a president, your office, a local right, at time, sounds over. They couldn't get. It's because the right is not there. They can't get a job move by. What would you bet here? Because you guys chicken, but now 40 farmers, what do you mean? Young people come here. But you can't get deal for the yen to me, young production. A brony in a better than you did with a bro, you make up for us. I put 2 acres to make it. You find a mechanized farm, mechanized. That's what it said. 300 hectares of land, family, and what is that going to be new? Then you're going to think it will be a bodo, a bunch of food, we are kidding. We need a mechanized farming, something like a bit more sustainable with it. You will not tomatoes, you will not get the any but we don't need the important things anymore. Can I be here? So that's sanity. And we are open up to support the government, whatever idea you want and so forth, because at the end of the day in the country, you know, my president in India, and then your mobile man in India. So,
Oh, that's I mean, honorable. Yada was a pa, Mr. Eddie Kusi and Kuma, and your ten and Kano, or no, yes, you, at the Erada Motors. Yame and
Erata Motors. Yeah.
Okay. That's a pa, Yamin Shroud. Maybe I actually I just saw you before a new now day. Am I?
Yeah. Okay.
Ashafo ayo any na onaka say you tifi na no. Me producers ni omo yes say e am better me pressure. Na wo ka sam so mo ntio omo wi a na ne answer na omo ti atwira mo ye. Na omo asam de ya na me ntwiro nti me nka ne kase. Anaplawie aha na bra age kwansa pram to bra kase no donko ye de mu ebesi na chese ye ka NCC National Commission for Civic Education so other car and send me actually and said I was see a share na constitution day no ebe to me ashemukena send ye be ya ye be hu ne ekoso ede amaye naturally say ye adwum ti entertainment news ba ko pe enso ka ho ye fa no so emmomu tew emfa ma ho na nyina ne san abrantie ne din aya samini wono no ene dan na just na nsane ne ya na onya 40 years no di ne birthday no sambre wodi no de betu just wono wo ye dan so king so ye ne ni ma music mu no tete no chance ye ne nya wono wakwadiri mankasa enti brantie na wo de o sore na o mo kasa o mo ye dan so king de no wo mo boa wono eno ye dan so king no won kasa kase wo hwekuduam eno wo sole a no wo de kakra no de abetum ayom de no de abetum no akwakoda enti African dancehall music ne de wono eno ye dancehall king Samini nso dia wode ba ye eno no etia se yakwachi ne nyina de agutentam fidie no so kase a ewo HY TVGH wo na wokonya wobekọ a wobenya bi akenkan no anya bi nso atie donko kase no aha anya demu ebesie enti sesia no de na krese sim card registration no eno nso eguso ekoso na bekọ no na queue kase ewo ho enti ye se wotu anamo na wokọ ntam se ne be ya wobenya na ye se wonya botre every sense say ebia no aye beye e de afa ho na nyina no se bo se wonya botre na wo hwe se ne be ya wo nsa ebeka sanso na sukuufuo bako 23 wonso wonya wo nkwanhia ya aja e wo dodowa Shai Hills ho no no kwantempo no so na mofre wonya nkwanhia yi enti ene se wo ba ekọ school e wo enum secondary school a e wo sa wo ye na wo hwe se wo kodru school ho ana impo no wako akoka won a atoye nchem ato won hu Yeah. Aha, and I brother de quine, mamma de Cassiabano, Edimo, SCA, our Hassay. Not just a song for Atwee Rambo, and I'm a backing kind Edema Wano. We produce our mamma pressure pan and so make us a sia. Or war, no, and a bomb a children making Cassiabano Edema war. Not just a manager, or no soy and was a one cassa, and so was a ha, or no, and a mine. One more best yesterday was studio Hassay. Not just a Benedict, or also our MC and Hono Chinchim de Mammy. Me senior producer bakope na just action president and obo aminam de bremo Clement ononso ebo mechidom enam de bremo editor our boy emi de bremo timude